Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a rather interesting problem related to the implementation of the ranges distance function in the C++ standard library. We'll explore why the struct __distance_fn is marked as final and with the purpose of the void operator and const equals deleters. It's a bit of a head scratcher, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. The ranges. Next function is what we call a niebloid, a unique concept in the world of C++. To prevent misuse and ensure they are not mistakenly used as objects, a commit in the libstdc library added the final keyword and deleted the operator and. On the other hand, ranges begin as a customization point object, CPO, that behaves differently and does not have these restrictions. It's all about ensuring these functions are used in the intended way. In summary, we explored the intricacies of ranges, distance, and why certain functions like ranges next are marked as niebloids with restrictions, while others like ranges behave differently as CPOs. It's fascinating to see the unique strategies used in the C++ standard library to maintain consistency and prevent misuse. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!